Okay, good morning, grade 4 students, art students. Okay, now I will teach you how to create the first step for drawing your building complex using perspective technique. Okay, first of all, what you need is the horizon line or the plane. It can start from center or at least around the center. It can be upper a bit like this, yeah, or like this. Okay, and then another dramatic view, you can start even higher like this one. Now for the sample, I will create something that in the middle, it's about in the middle. Okay, so this is your first line, what we call the horizon, yeah. And then after that, decide your vanishing point. And for this project, you only have to concern one vanishing point, because in perspective there's three type of vanishing point. Now it can be in the center, yeah. For the first purpose, I put it in the center, and then that's it, yeah. This is the main point or the main elements that you need to start draw your building complex using perspective. Now after that, you can draw the street. Okay, I'm using blue, dark blue. Okay, let's say this width can be touch the edge or just make it wider. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay, now you already set the horizon and the street. Now let's start to decide to draw the sidewalk. Yeah, at least we have a sidewalk. We have a sidewalk. So then we decide the building start here. I will use more thicker line. Okay, I start, let's say the building is this tall. Now I have to design the angle. So the angle is determined by this line over here. Okay, take it from the center or the what we call the vanishing point dot to the top of your line, yeah. So this is your rooftop will end. Okay, and then you can start design or create the thickness of the building. Okay, follow the yellow line. Yeah, follow the yellow line. Okay, done. Now for the face of your building, just draw a rectangle. That's it. No angle at all. Okay, you don't need any angle. It's perpendicular. Okay, done. This is your first building. Okay, now the second building may be shorter. Let's say this short. So again, you need to create the helping line. Take it from the vanishing point dot Okay, drag it to the top of your line over there. Then you already have your helping line to create the side of the building. Again, you can decide how wide your building will be. Okay, I will make it this wide. Stop at the edge of your yellow helping line here. See? Yeah, watch this. And then again, use the yellow helping line to create the angle line, the side line of your building. Okay, done with the side part, and then this is the front side. Okay. No angle, just horizon, straight horizon, vertical, horizontal line. That's it. This is your second building. Okay, so you don't need that, you don't need this, you don't need this anymore, you don't need this anymore. It's done. Now how about on the right side of your building, or your side wall? Again, same with the left part. You can decide the height of your building first. Okay, I will make it this tall, and then for the second building I will make even taller. Okay, now I need my helping line. Okay, this is for the first building, and then this is for the second building. Okay, now I decide I want to create my building's thickness. Okay, I will make it this thick or width. Okay, done. And then the face, the front part. The front part of my third building. Okay, done. Now the fourth or the last one. Okay, a bit lean. Make a correction. Okay, done. Again, straight line, no angle. Okay. Ta-da! Done. Finito. I don't need that. I can erase this. I can erase this. Voila! So this is what you need for your first part assignment that you have to show to us on next Zoom sessions. Okay? Can I submit it, and then I will submit the final again for the part 2? Yes, you can. It's up to you. You can just show it to us on your camera next time we meet at the Zoom time, or submit it as usual in Turn Inbox. It's up to you. Okay then, see you next time. Bye bye.